Hello and welcome to a quick walkthrough of our Kabati project floor plan. In this project, all the bungalows will look the same on the outside, but on the inside, you can choose to make customizations of your choice. On the outside, there are two parking areas, green area and a front porch. The living room will be sunken, meaning it will be a little lower than the rest of the house floor. The dining area will also be well defined. The kitchen is modern and open plan, but of course, you can always make it closed according to your preference. There is also a pantry and a back porch right outside the kitchen. There are 3 bedrooms, and the master is en suite, followed by second and third bedroom. And to finish off, there is a guest washroom. Bungalow goes for 4.85 million with a deposit of 1.7 million and balance in 15 months. For booking and inquiries, contact us and we will always be able to help.